So I've ordered a high-powered microscope, and there you can see something bigger swimming there. That's pretty big. That is no tadpole. That thing is about 6 inches long, whatever it was swimming there. And these little tadpoles are just darling little things, and they're swimming right along the surface here and down into the mud. Some little tiny ones. They're not even the size of a small pea. So we're looking at kind of things swimming in the underbrush, and there's all kinds of seeds from the brush, the sumacs here, the hackberries across the pond. So there's little life here that's just under the surface, and we're watching them. Birds singing in the background. Occasionally you hear the spadefoot toad up in the arroyo channel there.